A, B, C, D,
J, K, we're on our way. L, M, N, let's do it again. Do it again. O, P, Q, we're breaking through. R.
Hello, I am a tiger cub. I am from India. My brother is from the USA. He is my younger brother, Jaguar.
My brother doesn't know how to talk. He likes to go on adventures in the forest. Let's go!
I am Jack.
J for Jaguar. J for Jaguar. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
I hopped off the plane at light with a dream at night. Cardigan, welcome to the land of fame access. I gonna fit in, jump in the cab here.
The scenery here is stunning. I like it here very much. Look, no one is bothering me.
Hello, my wife and I are visiting to see the scenery here. I am Brazilian and my wife is Australian.
Hello, I'm Chikma. Are you from Brazil? And your wife from Australia?
No, my name is Australian. My husband's name is Brazilian.
This is Mr. Chikma, a rich man, right?
No, I'm Jack. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time. Bye!
This year for Christmas I want cake.
K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo.
Mom, why are we still in such difficulty? Our eyes are only looking at the enemy. I don't want to live like this anymore. I see people living in the USA, their lives are so happy.
Children, wherever there are enemies, we must be careful. Danger is always there. Now, we live in a very safe place and have everything we need to eat. Don't worry, your mother will protect you. All you have to do is study English. If all children can read, write, and speak English well, we can travel all over the world.
Yes, Mom. Let's learn ABCD together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L.
L for lemur. L for lemur.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Hello, I'm Mikimo. I live here. Where do you come from?
I'm from Africa, looking for someone to teach English. I'm glad to see you.
That's right, I am a teacher.
Thank you, teacher. I invited you to teach in my community. There are no English teachers there. What do you think?
Let me think for a moment. Oh my God bless you.
What's going on here? What are you talking about? I'm looking for an English teacher.
You're a little cold. I want to say that I'm a ghost catching teacher.
It's okay. I'm William. I'll teach you. I'm a volunteer teacher. Don't worry. Do we learn English together? That follows me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
M for mouse. M for mouse.
Crazy, Sean. Oh, crazy.
I'm so tired from the long flight to find the numbat. I can't find it. Where is it? Most of those kinds of animals live in Australia.
Who is above my head? I don't like it. Go far away.
I apologize for not telling you in advance. Hello, I'm Mikimo. Nice to meet you.
Okay, I'm fine. I want to ask you a question. Have you ever seen a numbat?
Sorry, I've never seen this animal before, so let's all go find it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard fly number 00, and we will be taking off in a moment. Please be prepared to fasten your seatbelts properly.
Wait for me. Why did you throw me away?
That's the problem. I told you we're going to fly now, but you're not paying attention.
Study hard for your future. Study hard for your future.
N for numbat. N for numbat.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
N.
Wow! Okay, let's go.
Hello all. You look very tired. Did you sleep well last night? Today you have to learn A, beat C. There is a new teacher and from Washington, D.C.
Oh, Mom, learn for what? I don't want to go to school. I like to play with my friend Ostrich. I like it more than studying. I'm such a happy kid. Can Mom see me dancing? I'm so busy.
Dear children, you must understand the value of education. Education is very valuable for all of us. Without education, there is nothing.
Okay, Mom, I understand. I'm trying my best to study. Don't worry, Mom. Can I play when I'm bored?
Absolutely. Go to rest now. You'll go to school tomorrow.
Yes, Mom.
O, for owl. O, for owl. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O.
Mr. Pilot, where are we going? Where are you ordering me to go? What are you doing? Can't you hear me?
What is happening right now? Where am I?
Why are you asking me? Do you have any responsibility? Do you know that many people's lives depend on pilots?
I'm sorry. The wind is cold, and I fell asleep with my eyes open. Next time, I'll focus on driving.
You can't say that. This is your responsibility. Go to study ABC again.
P for plane. P for plane.
Hello, I'm a horse who's looking for me. Hello.
Wow, where did this animal come from? It's a crocodile. Go far away if you don't want to get hurt. It doesn't listen to me. I'm leaving now.
Hello, Brother Horse. Where did you come from? Why are you making a sad face? What happened?
Today is a bad day for me. I didn't expect to meet a crocodile. I don't know where it came from. It came to bite me.
I don't believe you. Crocodiles live in water. They can't come up on land to bite you.
This is a true story, Rabbit.
Stop talking nonsense. Let's all learn English together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q.
Hello, I'm a quokka.
Q for quokka. Q for quokka.
My friend asked me to meet him here. Why didn't he come? The garden here is full of flowers. If someone loves me, it would be great.
And where are you from? Did you come here to want a guy like me?
Don't get me wrong. I'm waiting for the person I love.
Sorry, Auntie. I didn't know you had a boyfriend. Very big and a very small one. Why?
Hello, dear friend. Sorry for the long wait. I am seeking an English teacher to help me learn to communicate effectively with the world. Don't talk big or small. We can be lovers.
R for rabbit. R for rabbit.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,